Hello everyone, welcome to Supergrads IPM by Top Rankers, and today we will be continuing our series of hand-picked questions. And why we have started this series? Because these are the questions which come from the same bodies which conduct your entrance exam too. And there are chances of repetition of not only the concepts but exactly the type of the questions. So in order to get the hang of the concepts, the formulas, the tricks and the tactics, we are doing this series. So those who have not watched the previous parts, go ahead and watch them. And here today's agenda is time, speed and distance, handpicked questions from CAT examination, from actual CAT examination. Let's have a look at the progress chart that we are done with number system, set theory, coordinate geometry, equation, arithmetic, arithmetic 2, arithmetic 3, and today we are doing arithmetic 4, and with this we will be done with arithmetics, and then the next session will be progressions. Let's go to our first question, but here is a catch. What is the catch? Do not cheat. Pause the video here. Yes, pause the video here. Try it yourself and then jump on to the solution part. Let's have a look. So if you have paused it, tried it, and then only watch the explanation. Two places A and B are 45 km apart and connected by a straight road. Anil goes from A to B while Sunil goes from B to A. So Anil goes from A to B. So this is Anil and Sunil goes from B to A. Sunil goes from B to A. Starting at the same time, they cross each other exactly 1 hour 30 minutes. So they are meeting at a point at point P. After the time taken to meet at this point is 3/2 hours. And the distance between A and B is given as 45 kilometers. So the distance is given as 45 kilometers. If Anil reaches B exactly 1 hour 15 minutes after Sunil reaches A, so what we have to do? So the first equation will be time taken is equal to distance upon S1 plus S2. So we can write 3/2 is equal to 45 upon A plus S. 3 cancels this 15 times, A plus S goes there, 2 goes here. So we get A plus S is equal to 30. And now what they have given, if Anil reaches B exactly 1 point, the time taken by Anil will be equal to 45 by A. Time taken by Sunil will be equal to 45 by S. So time taken by Anil is equal to time taken by Sunil plus 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes can be written as 1/4, or I can say 5/4 hour. So it can be written as 5/4 of an hour. So time taken by Anil is 45 upon A is equal to 45 upon S plus 5/4. And if I multiply this whole equation by 4AS and cancel 5, so this becomes 15, this becomes 15. Oh sorry, 5 se cancel kiya to this becomes 9, this becomes 9. And I'm multiplying by 4AS, so this will become 4S into 9, that is 36S minus 36A is equal to 4 se 4 cancel, AS. And now what they are asking me the speed of Anil. If they are asking me the speed of Anil, so I will convert S into A. So I can write S is equal to 30 minus A. And I can go ahead and put here 36 into 30 minus A minus 36A is equal to A into 30 minus A. And from here I get 36 into 30 is 1080 minus 36A minus 36A is equal to 30A plus A square. And I will get a quadratic equation here. What will be that quadratic equation? A square minus minus plus ho jayega, so this will be plus 36 is 72 plus 30 is 102A minus 1080 is equal to 0. So from here I can write a square plus 90a minus ये प्लस ए स्क्वायर नहीं है, ये माइनस ए स्क्वायर है। तो ये यहाँ पे प्लस की जगह माइनस रहेगा, तो ये रहेगा ए स्क्वायर माइनस 90a और ये प्लस हो जाएगा फिर। तो माइनस 90a माइनस 12a प्लस 1080 इज इक्वल टू 0। तो यहाँ पे a माइनस 90 एक फैक्टर बनेगा और दूसरा फैक्टर बनेगा a माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0। तो a की वैल्यू अगर मैं यहाँ पे 90 रखता हूँ, a 90, इसका मतलब s जो है वो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा विच इज नॉट फीसिबल। तो a कितना आ जाएगा 12। सो द ओनली पॉसिबल वैल्यू इज 12। आंसर इज बी बॉम्बे। So please let me know in the comment section whether you have got this answer correct or not. How many of you have got this answer correct? So here if you look at the concept, there is not much about the concept. The only thing is keeping the patience and solving in the direction what they have asked, and you will definitely get the answer. Let's jump on to the next question. A train traveled a certain distance at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 6 km per hour more? And here's a catch. Pause the video here itself. Pause it here, try it yourself, and then come to the solution. Let's continue with our explanation. It would have needed 4 hours less. So let the speed of train be t. Let the speed of train be s. And the time taken be t. So this will be your distance. Had the speed been 6 km per hour more, and time being 4 hours less, then also it will cover distance d. And had the speed been 6 km per hour less, and time required will be 6 hours more, is also equal to d. If I divide these two, I get st minus 4s plus 6t minus 24 is equal to, ये सामने चला जाएगा तो इसको दोबारा लिख लेता हूँ. So it will be st minus 4s plus 6t minus 24 is equal to, ये d से d कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये सामने चला जाएगा तो सामने दिखेगा st plus 6s minus 6t minus 36, ये ऐसे दिखेगा. तो st से st कैंसिल, माइनस 4s प्लस 6s, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस 10s प्लस 60 प्लस 12t is equal to माइनस 36 प्लस दिस is equal to माइनस 12. तो ये पूरा का पूरा 2 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये बनेगा 60 माइनस 5s is equal to माइनस 6. अब 5s को अगर मैं लेफ्ट में रख लूं is equal to माइनस 6 माइनस 60, माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 प्लस टी प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. अगर मैं दोनों साइड 5 से डिवाइड कर दूं तो ये बचेगा s. तो अब मैं s अगर मुझे इंटीजर चाहिए तो t की वैल्यू क्या रखनी पड़ेगी 4. सो लेट्स पुट t एंड ऑब्टेन s. तो t अगर मैंने 4 रखा तो ये बन जाएगा 1 प्लस 4 5 प्लस 1 6 इंटू 4, तो डिस्टेंस कितना आ जाएगा 24. यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस कितना आ रहा है 24. Because we have only one equation, so we have to do it by trial and error. Next, now what should I keep t? So t should be 9. 9 plus 1 10, तो ये हो जाएगा 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 9 into 12 is 108. Next it should be 14. So 14 plus 1 15, तो ये हो जाएगा 3. 3 plus 14 is 17 और 1 18. So 18 into 9 is 120. 18 into 7 is 126 into 2. 252. नेक्स्ट 14 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बी 19. अगर ये 19 है तो ये 4 हो जाएगा. 4 प्लस 19 इज 23. 23 प्लस 1 इज 24. एंड देन 24 रखूंगा. 24 प्लस 1 इज 25, तो ये 5. 5 और 24 इज 29. 130. 24 इंटू 30 ये कितना आ रहा है? 720. तो ऑप्शन में 720 दिया हुआ है. आंसर इज डी, दिल्ली. The only thing matches is 720. So the distance can be 720. Very simple question. The only concept applied here is to use the special equation. और लोग यहाँ पे हिट एंड ट्रायल शो कर देते हैं. आपको यहाँ पे हिट एंड ट्रायल नहीं शो करना है. आपको उसको पूरा अरेंज और ऑर्गेनाइज ऐसे करना है कि आपका सिर्फ एक पॉइंट ही ट्रायल एंड एरर का हो. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे पास और इक्वेशंस है नहीं, तो मेरा एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं आएगा. दूसरी चीज, यहाँ पे जैसे ही मैंने ये निकाला, मुझे पता चल गया ये 24 या 12 का मल्टीपल है. इसमें अगर मैं ऊपर से देखूं तो दो नंबर ही 12 के मल्टीपल होते हैं. फिर आगे जाता हूं तो 24 का मल्टीपल कंफर्म हो जाता है. तो उससे भी आई एम गेटिंग कि ये जो है वो मेरा 720 होगा. बट आप नीचे आते जाओगे तो 720 आपको मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, here is another question, but pause the video here itself and then jump on to the solution. Let's have a look. Arvind travel from A to B and Survi travels from B to A. So Arvind travel from A to B. So this is your Arvind and this is your Survi. This is your Arvind, this is your Survi. After meeting each other, Arvind takes 6 hours to reach B. So they are meeting at some point P here. So after meeting, Arvind takes 6 hours. And after meeting, Surbi take 24 hours. Okay. So if the time post meeting is given, then the time taken to meet is always equal to root T1 T2. So which will be equal to under root of 6 into 24 and which will be equal to 144 ka under root, that is 12 hours. So the time taken to meet is 12 hours. So time taken by Arvind will be equal to T meeting plus 6 hours, that is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18 hours. And time taken by Surbi will be equal to T meet plus 24 hours. So 24 plus 12 is 36 hours. So Surbi take 36 hours to reach, Arvind take 18 hours to cover that distance. This is what we have calculated. If Arvind travel with a speed of, so speed of Arvind is also given as 54 kilometer per hour. Speed of Arvind is also given as 54 kilometer per hour. Then the distance between A and B is, so distance is always equal to speed into time. So speed is 54, time is 18. So 18 into 4 is 72, 7 carry 18 into 5 is 90. So 972 kilometers. So the answer is 972 kilometers. 972 kilometers. Any problem, anyone, any issues? बताइए. कोई भी दिक्कत किसी को भी? Let's move to the next question. अगर टाइम स्पीड की बात हो रही है और बोल्ट्जमैन स्ट्रीम की बात नहीं हुई, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. तो बोल्ट्जमैन स्ट्रीम का एक क्वेश्चन है. But before jumping on to the explanation, please pause the video here. Pause it here. Try it by yourself and then come to the solution. What they are saying, a boat take 2 hours to travel a river from port A to port B. This is port A and this is port B. So port A to port B. A boat takes, another boat takes, so a boat means, let's mark that boat as A and the speed of that boat be small a. 2 hours to travel downstream. So this direction is downstream. And this direction is upstream. And the speed of the current is not given. So speed of the current be x. Okay. So if A goes downstream, it take 2 hours. And distance is given? No, distance is also not given. So distance upon A minus S, it is going downstream. So A plus X is equal to 2 hours. So from here I get distance is equal to 2A plus 2X. And what they are saying next time? And 3 hours to return to port A. So it is coming upstream. So distance upon A minus S will be equal to 3. So I can write distance is equal to 3A minus 3S. From here I can see this is also distance, this is also distance. So I can equate that 2A plus 2X is always equal to 3A minus 3X. So from here I get A is equal to 5x. So I get the value of A in terms of current only, that is 5x. So a part is done. And what is distance? You can calculate distance from here also, here also. If you put this as 5x, so it becomes 10x plus 2x, 12x. So I get distance as 12x. So I got the distance in terms of x. I got the speed of A in terms of x. I got the speed of current in terms of x. So I have these three things in terms of x. Now what they are saying, another boat takes 6 hours to travel from B to A and then to B. मतलब upstream और downstream दोनों कवर कर रहा है, तो distance upon B plus x plus distance upon B minus x is equal to 6 hours. क्योंकि upstream time ये होता है, downstream time downstream ये होता है T down plus T up is equal to T total. ये हो गया. डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू क्या निकाली अपन ने? 12x यहां रख देते हैं अपॉन b प्लस एक्स प्लस 12x अपॉन b माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 6. 6 से ये कैंसिल 2, 6 से ये कैंसिल 2. इसके अलावा कुछ और कैंसिलेशंस नहीं कर सकते, तो ये बनेगा 2b माइनस 2x प्लस 2b प्लस 2x इज इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. ये बन गया. 2x से 2x कैंसिल, तो ये बन जाएगा अपना बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4b 2bx रहेगा, 2bx माइनस 4bx. तो 4bx को मैं थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करके लिख लेता हूं 2xb 2xb. तो 4bx बी उधर ही है और माइनस का एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. तो इसको मैं थोड़ा सा, अभी मुझे पूछा क्या है, देन द टाइम टेकन इन आवर्स बाय द स्लोअर बोट. स्लोअर बोट कौन सी? ऑब्वियसली बी है, क्योंकि उसको टाइम ज्यादा लग रहा है. अगर बी स्लोअर है तो मुझे बी अगर एक्स के टर्म्स में मिल जाए तो काम बन जाएगा. तो मैं इस क्वाड्रेटिक को बी के फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट कर लेता हूं. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4xb माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. ये आपका, इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या हो गया? 1. इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या हो गया? माइनस 4x. और ये क्या हो गया? आपका कांस्टेंट हो गया. वेरिएबल कौन है? b, क्योंकि आप b की वैल्यू निकाल रहे हो. आप किसकी वैल्यू निकाल रहे हो? b की. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फॉर्मूले से अगर मैं देखूं तो b की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है? माइनस माइनस प्लस 4x प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ b स्क्वायर, दैट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ इसका स्क्वायर, दैट इज 16x स्क्वायर minus 4ac minus minus plus 4 into x square will be 4x square upon 2 into a मतलब कोफिशिएंट क्या है यहाँ पे? 1. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? प्लस 4x प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 20x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 4x, 2 से कैंसिल होके ये हो जाएगा 2x प्लस माइनस इधर 4 बाहर आएगा तो बन जाएगा 2, तो अंडर रूट ऑफ 5x. तो b की वैल्यू आपकी कितनी आ गई? या तो 2x प्लस रूट 5x या 2x माइनस रूट 5x. हमें ये पता है 2 जो है वो रूट 5 से छोटा होता है, तो 2 माइनस रूट 5 जो है वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. क्या नेगेटिव हो सकता? नहीं हो सकता, तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नहीं लेंगे. तो इससे हमें ये पता चल गया कि मेरे b की वैल्यू जो है वो है 2 प्लस रूट 5 ऑफ x. अब उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? What is the time taken by the slower boat to travel from port A to port B? So time taken downstream will be equal to distance upon 2 plus root 5 x plus speed of the current. डाउनस्ट्रीम जा रहा है तो स्पीड ऑफ द करंट उसमें ऐड हो जाएगा, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 12x कॉमन आके कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये बचेगा सिर्फ 12 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 3 प्लस रूट 5। अब इसमें किसका मल्टीप्लाई करूं रैशनलाइज करने के लिए 3 माइनस रूट 5 का, और ऊपर भी किसका मल्टीप्लाई 3 माइनस रूट 5 का। 3 स्क्वायर क्या बनता है 9 माइनस 5 क्या हो जाएगा 4, ये क्या बचा 12, 12 से कैंसिल 3, अंदर क्या बचा तो ये कैंसिल हो गया, अंदर क्या बचा 3 माइनस रूट 5। सो 3 into 3 minus root 5, आंसर इज C, कैलकाटा। व्हाट वी हैव डन, यहां तक सारे बच्चे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। अगेन यहां से क्रूशियल पार्ट शुरू होता है, और इस क्रूशियल पार्ट को कैसे सॉल्व करना है अभी यू गॉट इट, कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है। डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट कि देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स, हाउ विल आई सॉल्व, और मैंने तो ऐसे पढ़ा ही नहीं है। थिंक अबाउट कि इफ यू गेट b in terms of x, you will be able to get the answer, and proceeding with that logic we have completed the whole sprint and we got this, right? So if you have not got it, watch this again and again, put it in your formula notebook. This is the way how we can proceed with the questions. And here is the last question, but again with the same promise that you will pause the video first, try it by yourself, and then put to the solution. So Moody take 30 seconds to finish riding an escalator. Again escalator की बात ना हो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. So Moody take 30 seconds to finish riding an escalator if he walks in the same direction. So let the speed of Moody be m and escalator be, क्योंकि दोनों same direction में जा रहे हैं तो they are adding the work multiplied by 30 seconds. Speed multiplied by time will give me the number of stairs. He takes 20 seconds finish riding the escalator if he walks at twice his normal speed in the same direction. He takes 20 seconds to finish riding the escalator if he walks at twice his normal speed in the same direction. So he takes 20 seconds. So next time he is taking 20 seconds and he has doubled his speed, तो 2m हो जाएगा, escalator की speed as it is रहेगी is equal to number of steps. If you divide these two, n gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. So what you will obtain? You will obtain 3m plus 3e is equal to 4m plus 2e. From here you get that e is equal to m. The speed of escalator is equal to speed of Moody. Okay. From here you can calculate the number of stairs. Number of stairs will be m plus e की जगह पे भी m रख दूंगा multiplied by 30. So you will get 60m is the total number of stairs. Total number of stairs कितने आ गए 60m आ गए. If Moody decides to stand still on the escalator, then the time taken. So time taken by Moody will be equal to distance upon speed. Distance कितना है 60m. Speed क्या है, मूडी अपनी स्पीड से तो चल नहीं रहा है, स्पीड किसकी लगेगी एस्केलेटर की, which is equal to m. 60m divided by, so it will be 60m divided by m. m से m cancel. The answer is 60 seconds. The answer is 60 seconds, and this is how we get the answer. And with this we are done with time and work, and stay tuned for the next session which is on progressions, and there also we will be doing handpicked questions from CAT actual paper. Those who have not yet liked the session, just go ahead and like the session. Please let us know in the comment section how many of the questions you got correct, how many of the questions you struggled, and how many of the new things you have learned in this session. And those who have not yet subscribed, just subscribe, because the peak time of your preparation is coming for more such updates and more such videos which will definitely add on and reinforce your preparation. For that you should subscribe to our channel Supergrads IPMAT. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best.